Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is Mike at TTK Small Engine Repair here in Paw Paw, Michigan. I did a chainsaw repair for a customer as a swap for this tractor. Initially it came in, he was having what he thought to be starter issues. Now I've already got the engine back together. I'm waiting for one part though. When you crank the engine, you could see it barely move the upper flywheel there, and I had taken the starter off just to test it off the unit, but I still couldn't move this. And I'm thinking, could have dropped the rod, but the engine's fairly clean. So the only reason I'm really doing this video is if you've got an engine that won't crank over, yet your solenoid, starter, and all that is good, don't give up on it. See if it's got one of these puppies. This is an electric clutch which drives the mower deck on that particular unit. As you can see, the bearing came apart in here. This seized up, so consequently it caused the engine to start. Now the customer had told me that it was running great prior to that, quit while he was mowing, but you can see your electrical plug-in goes in here. So when you pull the switch on the tractor, that engages the electric clutch, which in turn drives the belt for those, because obviously your drive belt on this is separate from your mower deck belt. And this has got, I'll walk over here, this has got the push-pull switch for your electric clutch, which engages those blades. So, but I'm going to wind up selling this puppy. I'm waiting for a new gas tank. It's got a crack across here. Now, when I did have it apart, I took this cover off also. Looks like at one time or another mice had been up in there. They had the coil wire taped up, so I just replaced the coil while I was in there. And so this unit though, it is an older unit, but I'm telling you, this tractor is clean. Whoever had it maintained it well, took good care of it. Tires are in great shape. They're not weather cracked. So I'm going to be selling this puppy as soon as I get it repaired. Waiting for that gas tank and waiting for this electric clutch assembly. I'll get that put in there and we should be all set to go. So, but I went all through this tractor, changed the oil, did a tune-up, replaced the coil, new air filter, fuel filter. I put a new dry belt in there since I was down there. That way, whoever buys this is going to get themselves one nice little tractor. This has got 18 horse Kohler on her. Kohler engines are darn good, and this thing does run great. I had it fired up. I can't start it right now, or I would, because I've got the lower pulley on the engine for the drive belt, and it's not secured because that's held in place with that electric clutch. So, but anyway, again, you got an engine that clicks, and you can see this moving or hear that starter. You can pull that starter just to double check. Chances are the starter, solenoid, and everything else is good. Oil was clean in this as well when I checked it, because that's the first thing I checked for, was to see if I had any metal particles or shavings in there. And that led me to go deeper into this, which led me to that electric clutch. So you're having problems with an engine not cranking over that has an electric clutch on it, boy, pop that clutch down and take a look at her and make sure she's in good shape. But this is how this looked when I dropped it out. So we'll get that replaced. We'll get her all taken care of. Again, that drives the belt for your mower deck. Anyway, that's all we've got today here at TTK. I just wanted to get this video out there. It's a good, helpful tip for those who might have encountered this problem or haven't. Everybody, take care. God bless. Talk at you later.